Hello and welcome. My name is Daisy. Don't have a laser engraver machine, but you would like to start personalizing wood? You will love this tutorial. I will show you how to burn designs into wood using Cricut. And for this project, we're going to use unfinished wood, Cricut machine, stencil vinyl or permanent vinyl, transfer tape, torch paste, a heat gun, superfine sandpaper, and mineral oil. This last one is optional. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I will start with the class, but before I would like to invite you to please support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. I'm going to insert the design that I'm going to be using. Click on Upload, Upload Image, Browse, open the folder where you have your image, select it and open it. Click Upload and add it to the canvas. Select the design and click on Ungroup. Erase the watermark. If you like these free designs, I invite you to visit my blog. I will link it in the video description below. I have 2 designs with 2 layers each. To make the stencil, we're going to use the green layers. Now we're going to adjust the measurements according to the size of the wood. I will personalize 2 wooden circles. One measures 7 by 7 inches and the other one measures 12 by 12 inches. So I'm going to resize one circle to 7 by 7 and the other one 11.5 by 11.5. I know my wooden circle measures 12 by 12, but the machine will not cut a 12 by 12 design. They are ready. Now click on Make It. Continue. Next, we're going to select the material that we're going to cut. In this case, I'm going to be cutting stencil vinyl. Click on Browse All Materials. Type stencil vinyl. Select it. If you wish to have it on your favorite, click on the flag. Then click on Done. Now let's go to the machine. Like I mentioned before, I'm going to be using stencil vinyl, but you can also use permanent vinyl. I am using my purple mat, the strong grip, but you can also use the green mat. I'm going to transfer the design to the wood. For that, I'm going to use transfer tape. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the torch paste. But before, make sure you don't have air bubbles on the vinyl. I'm going to use a small brush and I'm going to apply a very thin layer. Let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes to remove the stencil. Next, I will burn the design using a heat gun. I'm going to use the highest setting. I like how it turned out. It burned out of the line at the bottom, but I'm going to remove it using a piece of sandpaper. You can leave the design like that if you wish, or you can also sand it a little bit. I'm going to sand it, but I'm not going to put too much pressure. Then I'm going to clean with sponge or a paper towel. It's ready. You can leave it like that, or you can add some mineral oil. This will define the wood grains. As you can see, it's very easy to burn designs into wood. You can use this technique to customize cutting boards, wall decor, wooden signs, Christmas ornaments, and many more. And you don't need a laser engraver machine. I'm going to link all of the supplies used in this tutorial in the video description below. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to burn designs into wood. And please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, commenting, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.